What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Joni loves tchotchkes. And I love tchotchkes. Hey, I throw a couple bucks Northwestern's way. Nonprofit university. And every now and then they send me some stuff. I show it to you here. This one is a connect all lanyard cable. I actually have no idea what it is, although I'm assuming maybe it is cableage to connect to your phone. Interesting. So it comes in this little package here. Looks like there's some instructions on the outside, but we don't need no stinking instructions. We can just wing it. So that's what it looks like. It's got a Northwestern purple wrist lanyard on it. I can't get my big hand through there. Probably could. It says Northwestern alumni. We have little clip here so that you can clip keys or what have you. Clip it to your backpack. A little plastic cover down here, and I'm assuming that if we push in these little dots here, we can separate this and get to, ooh, look at this. The two ends of the lanyard separate, and now we have plugs on ends of the cable here. And so this is, I'm assuming there is cableage running through here. And first of all, what we have is just the disc part of a USB-A port here, so that can plug right into a computer, or for example, a power brick like this, you would put it in like this, or power block, I should say, just like that. And then on this end, you would be able to plug in, looks like we have a lightning cable right there. And then I'm assuming, I don't want to break anything, I'm assuming we just rotate it like this. Ooh, USB type C right here, just like that. Boom. And then it says micro over here, so I feel like there should be a micro. No, maybe not. I feel like there would be a micro USB in here somewhere, but I don't see anything that would indicate that. All right, but for us iPhone users, USB Type-C users, hey, this is great. Pretty cool. It's a nice piece of kit that, again, now I can just put this all back together like this. The little tabs go out like that. And then, again, just clip it to your backpack, your briefcase. You're sitting in a conference or what have you, class, need to juice up your device, do it with this. Hey, I'm sure this thing, this promo and this tchotchke can be had anywhere, but you can't get it with the Northwestern alumni printed on it. Well, you probably can. I'd probably sell this to you for a couple bucks, but it's cool. Thanks, Northwestern. Peter von Panda out.